Lighting is essential in industrial spaces, but keeping LEDs cool is just as important as turning them on. Let's talk about why thermal management is critical in industrial LED fixtures. Unlike traditional lighting, LEDs don't emit heat through light. They store it internally. In industrial environments like warehouses, foundries, and factories, that heat builds up fast. Without proper thermal control, LEDs can lose brightness, lumen depreciation, fail early, or worse, shut down completely. That's where thermal management comes in. High-quality fixtures, like those from Tactik Lighting, use advanced heat sinks aluminum LED boards, smart housing design. To move heat away from critical components and maintain performance. Proper thermal management ensures longer lifespan, up to 100,000 hours. Steady light output, fewer failures, lower maintenance costs. In harsh environments, heat is the silent killer, and smart design is the best defense. So if you're lighting up an industrial space, don't just look at lumens. Look at what's under the surface, because cool LEDs last longer. Visit tacticlighting.com to learn more.